Hi friends.
By crikey, that is gorgeous. This is Woods Creek.
What is that?
Woods Creek.
Woods Creek. Say it one more time for the camera.
Oh, it's Woods Creek down there. Looks like mighty fine water. Looks really shiny that way. Looks great for us swimming.
Good morning. I got my hot cocoa coffee mix. Ah, it's the best. Alright, this is where we camped last night, right here. We're gonna be crossing on the suspension bridge. That's apparently really janky. I'll go walk on it. You're gonna love this bridge. Also, it didn't rain last night, but it's just so humid down here that everything's damp. Like my sleeping bag's damp, tent's damp, Tyvek's damp. Uh-oh. Keep going. It's so wobbly. I really like this illustration someone did. Okay, my turn. It even says one person at a time. Yee! Oh my god. Ooh, I gotta stop and let it stop. Oh my god, this is terrible. This is like a carnival ride. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh my god, oh my god. Zoop, zoop. I know. Yeah, I'm not sure that was better. Okay, we made it across the bridge. The worst part is that, like, I forget what the technical term is for it, but when the wave oscillations of the bridge match your footsteps, all of a sudden you're just starting to, like, really bounce up and down. So you gotta kind of stop and let it, like, not match anymore. So that's what was happening at that one point. So we have 3,500 feet of elevation gain today, over 7 miles, which is kind of a lot. So today's gonna be a pretty slow day. But then after that, so that's a pass. Do you remember what pass it is? Pinchot? Pinchot Pass. And then the one after that is a lot more mild. So maybe we could do a 2-pass day, which would be kind of nice. What's the next one? Mather. It's Mather. So that's what we're doing today. Okay, so we're technically on the John Muir Trail right now, and we're going to Pinchot Pass. It's the last one, 7.7 miles. But over here, and it makes me want to go to it, is Road's End. Seems very ominous. 800! We hit 800 miles today. This is the view at 800 miles. Sun's coming up, going up a big hill. Big tree. Oh, that is a big tree. Mountain. Kyle. He looks really happy to be climbing a mountain today. Ooh, mosquitoes. Ugh. Okay. All right, also today marks exactly the end of 2 months on trail. So we hit exactly 800 miles at exactly 2 months. So We're averaging about 100 miles a week, it seems like. There was something called the water slide that they were warning us about on gut hooks, and I think this is it. And it does look like a water slide, and it actually looks like it would be fun to go down, but probably super dangerous, so we're not going to. But it does look like a water slide. I was not expecting it to like look like a water slide, but it's just all rock. Okay, I don't know if these steps are for water or a well-intentioned, you know, oh look, we're building steps for hikers, but I'm so ungrateful. I hate steps so much. I like to just shuffle up the mountain, and when I have to raise my leg this high, look it's almost up to my knee. It is freaking exhausting, and I'm so ungrateful for whoever's building these. And it's not just me, because you can see a path being formed to actively avoid these steps. Nobody likes them. So people work very hard on these steps, and everybody's like, avoid them. So many gorgeous shots of the same river. Can't even handle it. And all the pine trees lit up by the sun. Oh, this is like a Bob Ross painting. Oh my gosh, look at his face lit up by the sun. And the mountains, oh my God.
Lit up also by the sun.
Also lit up by the sun. By crikey, that is gorgeous.
This is Woods Creek.
Is it?
Woods Creek.
Woods Creek. Say it one more time for the camera.
Oh, it's Woods Creek down there. Looks like mighty fine water. Looks really shiny that way. Looks great for us swimming.
River crossing. Kyle getting all situated to rock hop. We haven't had to get our feet wet yet, so I'm not sure when that's going to happen. Good job. Proud of you. This is the land of endless waterfalls. All water is like falling everywhere. It's amazing.
It's like we're in the mountains.
Yeah. I've never seen so many waterfalls. Ah, the whole thing. It's a wild chicken. I'm just kidding. They said it was a grouse. You chicky. Okay, I'll leave you alone. Alright, Kyle's gonna go filter some water. We have about 2 miles to the next water where we're gonna take our lunch break. And then 1 mile from there is the top, so I think 3 miles from here must be the top then. We're kind of in this little wooded area, but we're over 10,000 feet. I don't know exactly what yet. So we have about 1,500 feet left over 3 miles, which is about 500 feet a mile. So as long as it's not super steep, we're actually doing this pretty good. Like, I'm pretty proud of myself. This used to be super, super rough, and I was a little worried about it, but it is like 11 something. So 11 something, and we've already done 2,000 feet. Yeah, 2,000 feet. This was our lunch view today. We ended up taking a break a little earlier because we actually ended up near a small little pond thing and decided to take a break there. It's down there. This is where we came from, around this mountain, through the valley, and this is where we're going. We think that this is the pass right here. Yeah, clouds are looking a little dark. We're in this cool meadow though, and then where we were was like over this. We didn't make it before the storm hit, and it's hailing. There's some lightning and thunder, so we're sheltering while we wait it out. Ooh, Kyle. That's how I look too. Alright, we're coming down Pinchot Pass. Doing that with like a storm, which it seems like it's over different mountains, but we can still hear it, is probably the dumbest thing we've done on purpose. I'm gonna be honest, like we were already like almost all the way up, so we just scurried up and over. But yeah, probably shouldn't be on top of a pass while there's thunder. We didn't see any lightning though, so I don't know what the rule is, if it's thunder, lightning, or just both of them. I'm not sure, but we're up and over and we're on our way down. The only other thing is on this side there's like no trees or cover or anything. So, but here you can totally tell that the storm is on the other side of a mountain range. So I'll show you. I think the storm's over there. But there's like no cover here at all. So we're gonna run down. I'm pretty sure you could drink out of this little stream. We're high enough in altitude and there's literally nothing above us.
How about the lake?
I don't even know where this stream is coming from. What's up there? Is there snow melt?
There's a big bunch of snow, yeah.
It must be.
But not for this much water.
I know, this is a lot of water coming down for nothing that I saw up there. It's getting to the time of day where everything looks black and white. Ominous.
What?
How are you enjoying hiking in the rain?
It's fine. The pack's
Do you
just-
love it as much as I do?
I love it as much as you do.
Why do I feel like you're lying? Because you couldn't come up with something better. All right, Kyle wasn't being sarcastic. I actually don't mind hiking in the rain. This is really kind of fun and refreshing. The hail, though, that we had earlier, not a fan. Not a fan of that. Plus, it's not like super cold. It's probably like 65, not super windy, just kind of drizzling. Here, I'll take a video to show how much it's raining. That's about what it's doing right now. That's it. I don't mind it.
Alright. Where do you want it?
Just clip it so it doesn't fall off. Kyle's adjusting my tie back. Right next to the trail. Hello.
Up here. How far are you going? Fairly unbothered.
Yeah.
The tail's not even up and warning.
Yeah. See you later, friend. It's like I'm just waiting for you to pass so I can go back to eating my whatever I was eating.
Yeah, it's supposed to be right.
Oh look, here, another little creek I'm gonna cross. Whoop. Whoop. Almost fell.